Tuesday is Christmas. Out of it, like it's gonna be this thing.
That was probably.
It was digging right there. Then I. Hello guys, good morning. How you guys are been? It's like the weekend before Christmas. Like Tuesday is Christmas, and I'm in my house. I'm inside a closet. Inside a closet. My water heater is like right there behind that, and it fell. It's not good anymore. Then I already take the screws out to get it, to see it. Now guys, you're gonna see it with me. I put this a long time in here. This water heater have like 20 years or more. It was with the house when we bought it. I'm moving the wood. Okay, it's a little bit dusty here. Yeah, that's where this plug. I unplug it from the top already. Like I went from the top of the piece of wood right here and unplug it. Now, this is a big thing, and I have to empty it. That's full of water. And then I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. I'm gonna show you. I'll be back. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna change it. Alright, I'm back. And this little thing right here, that little thing, I'm gonna sit it on the wall over there, and it's gonna have this out of here. Like it's gonna be this thing that give you like smart technology, endless hot water. Suppose you save you electricity and everything, and you have this humongous thing in the morning here. But I had to do some changes. I had to change the power cord, not the power cord, the wires for it. I had to change them because the wires for water heaters are always like number 10, and this thing needs number 6 wire and a different breaker in the panel. It's gonna need a different breaker in the panel. It's gonna be a number 60 amp breaker because what this came with is a 30 amp breaker. But I'll show you after I get it out. Guys, I'll be back. Bye. Hello guys. What you see in the beginning, it was me just like looking at the water heater and everything. I went in the ceiling, pulled the old wire. Now we're going to Home Depot to get new wire. Andrew is accompanying me, and he's very like talking a lot today. Yeah. He's chewing on candy. Alright, well, we're going right now, and that's it. Like from here, there. Bye.
Hey.
Hello guys, we bought this wire, it's very expensive, and this pipe, and a breaker, all to change my water heater. Oh, and Tuesday is Christmas, then this is a what? Vlogmas?
Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
That was probably really loud because I'm right next to the camera. Wow.
Yeah.
That's probably gonna hurt your ears.
I can't even remember
We should.
where I parked. We're looking for our car because I don't remember where we parked.
Where is it? Hello?
It's over there.
Over there.
Oh yeah, it was by the Christmas thing. Over there.
Okay.
On the tree. Yeah.
Well, guys.
So guys, see you over there. Alright guys, now this is what I'm gonna put instead of the water heater I used to have.
Look, guys, look at this. You see this thing, right? This little thing is replacing that big ass thing. Over there.
Yeah, like you're gonna see it in the picture because we're gonna put it side by side. Side by side. I don't know, you guys can see it, but that's what it is gonna be. Look at
Yeah,
that.
it's gonna be like different, difficult angles and he's really his head. If
Yeah.
you, I don't, you know, I'm not gonna vacuum right now.
What?
I'm not gonna vacuum right now since you're blocking.
Well, it's even smaller than the box.
What?
This thing.
I'm gonna be so freaking like amazed at what this. Oh my.
Look at that.
This. Oh, what?
That's the size.
Oh, we
Oh,
should
this
have
thing.
took a before and after picture.
I'm gonna do it.
You already did take a before picture.
No, I'm gonna stand next to that thing, take a picture, and after that with this thing,
Okay,
and take
I
a
was
picture.
talking about in the closet. Like you should have left it there and took a picture.
I
and
take
then put-
video, I take
install
video.
That. Okay, then we screenshot it.
Yeah,
That thing looks cool.
yeah, this is
Okay, so this is obviously gonna
Hey,
crank
don't,
it up.
yeah, and don't
Whatever,
touch
it's
it.
gonna be hot. Well, that's the unboxing.
Yeah, that's the thing, and this is the power. And here, and it's the water. That's it. The water is coming right here, cold, and shoot out over here.
Well,
Hot.
guys, you know this vlog is different than other vlogs. You know, it's more like an informational vlog. Right?
Yeah.
It's like freaking like how teachers say we're gonna watch a video, but an education video.
Yeah. But for right now, I'm gonna see where it fits because I need to see where it can fit. Like,
There's a vacuum in here.
because I wanted to put it right here, but that thing is in my way. Then I don't know to put it like underneath right here. What do you think? Or because
On
that,
top of them.
yeah, no.
Okay.
But that one. Ow! Nice. Guys, you hear that? It just hit me right in the head.
Yeah, that must hurt.
With
Right there looks okay. It's perfectly. It's great. We will figure this out, guys.
So yeah, well, see you later, guys, when we have it on the wall. Alright, guys, second time going into the same place. Second time. And you can see all the flying insulation flying around. Okay, I need to go there. I'm gonna pull up, okay? Now pull down. Pull down. Pull. Pull. Pulling it straight down. Pull. Pull. That work. Jeez. Pull around with this.
Right there.
Okay, wait. Move, buddy. Move out. Move out. Guys, now I'm gonna try to do the other side. Tell you when I'm ready.
What other side?
The panel side? Not yet. I'll tell you when. Alright, guys. For this part, I had to take you off because the place is too little for you guys.
This space is too cool.
Alright, guys. I'm in a very weird position. I'm gonna show you. I'm right here, and I put a helmet because of the nails up there. It's very sharp to feel in your head. That's the wire right here. We got it down already into the panel, and it coming from all the way over there. It's coming from all the way over there, guys. Then now I have to go down and connect it to the panel with a new breaker. I bought the 60 amp breaker and connect it in the plug in the other side. I show you that later. Now I have to go down, guys. I'll see you. Bye. Well, guys, the breaker is on. It's right there. 60 amp. And what you hear is my wife came here, and it's on. Well, it's not on yet. I have to go turn on the water first. No, leave it open. Guys, this is the water heater with the pipes on. I know it needs a covering here with a 90, but I haven't even turned it on. I just turned on the water outside and letting it run a little first.
And then we'll see and like wear some boxers and freaking go in the shower and make it hot lava and stuff. I don't know.
Hot lava.
Hot lava, finally. Guys, I haven't taken a shower in days because I don't like cold water.
Oh my God, Andrew. Nice. Okay, bye guys. Hello guys, this is the end of the vlog. Oh, I forgot my glasses. And I'm here in Andrew's room where the water heater is, the new one. The new water heater is not even a tank, it's like tankless. Well, you're gonna see it through the vlog that you already see. Then this is the end today, the December 24th. And I'm gonna upload this today. And this Andrew playing video games. Right, Andrew?
What up?
What up? Like he's playing Fortnite. Show you the tank.
Yes, my dad.
Show you the tank, guys. For a minute.
Chocolate bullet?
Dig. Look, I had like bad luck at the first time. I had to like, it was leaking right there. Then I like cut it and reinstall it. I had to buy those new pieces, but everything is good now. You can even see it's on. Look, like, you press this, and it's like, oh, I turn it on. All right, 100. All right. Then
Hi.
we're gonna try the hot water because I didn't show you guys this hot water. See how clean it is. But I don't even know you guys can see that. Hey. Yeah, but it's hot water in here now. Nice and hot. Yeah, it's nice and hot. Cool. Alright. Oh, now my hand is wet. But yeah, guys, this is the end, and I'm with Andrew. And thank you for being with us. Tomorrow we will do a vlog about opening the Christmas presents.
Yeah, don't know what I'm gonna get at all.
At all either. But that's it for today. Merry Christmas, and comment. Oh, I keep looking at the screen, and it looks my eyes are crooked. Yeah. Comment.
Yeah. And then leave a like.
Leave a like, subscribe, and
hit that notification bell.
Yeah, you guys know it. Alright. Alright guys. See you tomorrow.
On Christmas.
Yes. Bye.